And at this hour, politics peaks over the water crisis in Delhi because the BJP has accused the Aam Aadmi Party of stealing water. The party has alleged that the Aam Aadmi Party tanker mafia nexus is the reason why there's a water crisis in Delhi, and it's also claimed that water is being sold to Delhi at a higher price thanks to this mafia. Let's listen in.
दिल्ली सरकार के दोनों मंत्री आतिशी मारलेना और सौरभ भारद्वाज एक ही बात कह रहे हैं कि हरियाणा हमें पानी नहीं दे रहा। 9 तारीख शाम दिल्ली सरकार के अधिकारी और हरियाणा सरकार के अधिकारी दोनों ने जॉइंट इंस्पेक्शन किया मुनक नहर का। वो जगह जहाँ हरियाणा से दिल्ली पानी आता है उस स्थान पर पहुँचे, पूरा डाटा चेक किया गया, कितना पानी दिल्ली को चाहिए, कितना पानी आ रहा है, और वहाँ दिल्ली सरकार के अधिकारियों ने सहमति जताई, ऑफिशियली सहमति जताई कि दिल्ली को पानी जितना मिलना चाहिए उससे ज़्यादा मिल रहा है। हरियाणा ने तो पानी दे दिया। दिल्ली में एंटर होने के बाद मुनक शहर से ककोरी जाते समय जो पानी गायब होता है वो पानी जाता कहाँ है? वो पानी कहाँ जाता है मैं आपको विजुअल से दिखाता हूँ। इसको आप ध्यान से देख लीजिए कि हरियाणा से पानी जब दिल्ली आ रहा है, ये उसका फोकस पॉइंट है कि ये दिल्ली से एंटर हुआ। इसके बाद वो नहर दिखाइए, ये वो नहर है। अब उसके साथ अब वो टैंकर माफिया के टैंकर देखिए, ये वो टैंकर माफिया है जो दिल्ली सरकार के चेयरमैन, दिल्ली सरकार के मंत्री, दिल्ली सरकार के मुख्यमंत्री और दिल्ली सरकार के अधिकारी, ये वहाँ से सीधा पानी नहर से उठाते हैं। जो पानी दिल्ली की जनता के लिए आता है और उसको मनमाने दामों पर इसको बेचा जाता है।
Let me go across to my colleague Nikhil, who's joining us, and he's been tracking the water crisis in Delhi and the politics over it for the past 1 month. Nikhil, these are some damning allegations that have come out from the BJP that it's not about the amount of water that's coming into Delhi, it's about how much of it is being wasted and being sold at a higher price thanks to the mafia. That's what the BJP is claiming.
Well, and on the behest of the Delhi government, this is something which is being alleged by the Delhi BJP, that on the behest of the government, only the tankers mafia are currently working. And the water which they are taking to the consumers, to the people of Delhi, it is also something which is not very well treated, which means it could further incur the problem of the health situation as well. And they have also advised that if any of the person is using the tanker water, they should boil it in the very first place before putting it to use, be it for the drinking water or for any other use for cooking as well. So there are two of the things which we can say right now, which is one of the latest and what we can confirm. The water which is coming in from the side of the Haryana, it is almost the Delhi, which has been guided by the Supreme Court. And the adequate share of the water is being released from the side of Haryana, although there are some of the constraints because they have to also look after their own capacity and the capability as well. On the other side, there are two things which are being shown in the capital city. First, the tanker mafia, that before the water enters inside the water treatment plant, there are 7 of the major, but overall 9 of the water treatment plants are currently providing the water across the capital city. So before reaching to that point, the water is taken by the tanker mafia on the directions by the Delhi government only. They are providing them the jurisdiction, support, and everything which is required to them. Apart from it, there are many of the places, many of the isolated pockets with Anshu where the service work, repair work is something which is missing for years now, for decades now, which required maintenance. That is something which is not being done. So there are many of the leaks which are being reported. There are many of the points which are faulty in nature as far as the pipeline is concerned. So these are the two things which are coming out from the side of the Delhi LG office and from the side of the Delhi BJP as well. So we need to see as to how swiftly the Aam Aadmi Party is now going to work, or either come out with a statement refuting the same which has been alleged by the leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party in the capital city. But amid all this, Anshu, what we can confirm is that the situation continues to be grim. There are people who are already facing the water shortage. The situation continues to be likewise. And we need to see when exactly the politics is going to end and the work exactly is going to begin in this particular context. Back to you.
Nikhil, thanks a lot for getting us those details here. The politics continues, and that's something we're going to focus in at depth today at 6 p.m. as well with my colleague Sneha Koshi.